Hello, everybody. This is It's Always Good Productions here with another video. Today, we're going to be ranking the MCU Phase 3 of movies of the MCU. So, first things first, I think I should review the first movie. The first movie I'm going to review is Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. This was by far the best Guardians of the Galaxy movie I have ever seen. Out of the three, it is the best Guardians of the Galaxy movie I've seen. The Yondu influence, the way he dies in that, it's so sad. And but the emotions portrayed, the story, the captivation, the visuals, everything was just so good. But not the best movie of phase 3, I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna put this in A tier. Next is Captain Marvel. Now, Captain Marvel, when this came out, it was actually really hyped. It's because it was introducing a new character, and also because it was Captain Marvel. She was getting her first introduction into the MCU. But I say I was a little disappointed because Captain Marvel's character turned out to be a little drab, in my opinion. She's very strong, don't get me wrong. She is very strong. But it doesn't hit that spot, it doesn't hit that Avengers, the movie spot, it doesn't hit that MCU kind of spot. I'm going to put this in B tier. Next, Spider Man Far From Home, set after Endgame. Again, a good movie but not a great movie. I would say it is like the worst. In I wouldn't say worst, it is not as good as No Way Home, of course. It is not as good as No Way Home, but I would say it's equal to Homecoming. So I feel it should go in like B tier. Yeah, B tier should be along with Captain Marvel. Ant-Man and the Wasp. I just saw this movie a few days back again, and holy, it was actually such a good movie. I remember it being way worse than I thought, but then it was actually such a good movie. I think I like it's a really underrated movie. I think I have to go. But again, it's not on the same level. It's not like an S tier movie kind of. It's not an S tier movie. So I'll go in the A tier. Now next is Thor Ragnarok. Oh man, this is S tier. Best Thor movie of all time. It had everything. It had it had humor, it had action, it had emotions, it had Hulk coming back after the Age of Ultron. Such a good movie, such a classic, such a good movie. It is not talked about enough. It is not talked about enough. People talk about the original Thor. In fact, all of the Thor movies are not talked about enough. In fact, I feel the Thor movie franchise is one of probably like it's like the black horse of the MCU franchise. Like people keep talking about Spider-Man or Iron Man. People don't talk about Thor enough in my opinion. Okay. Next is Spider-Man Homecoming. Good movie, good start to the franchise of Spider-Man, but again, it had an MCU kick, but I felt that Spidey was getting carried by Iron Man until like the last moment when he was fighting Vulture. So I'm gonna go B tier. It's same level as Far From Home. Next is Civil War. I'm not telling anything else. S tier. I'm telling you, Civil War, it was such a good movie. Like, holy, you had that fight between Cap and Iron Man, and then they both made their own teams and were fighting. Like, hey, yo. And then in Civil War, the Cap and Bucky versus Iron Man was like, oh, it was peak. It was peak, man. One of the best movies in Phase 3, in my opinion. Next is Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange. Doctor Strange was an okay movie. It was a good movie, not lying. It was better than Homecoming, definitely. Better than Far From Home, better than Captain Marvel. But like not, just had Doctor Strange getting introduced. It is like how he became Doctor Strange. But it's not as good. It doesn't deserve any of these tiers. It doesn't deserve the B tier, but it doesn't deserve S tier too. So I'm just gonna put it in A tier. Next is Black Panther. Holy, Black Panther was I have no words to describe it. It was, I'm telling you, the one of the best movies of Phase 3. See, it was so good. It was perfection, man. I have to go S tier. There's no choice. I have to go S tier. Okay, next movie is Infinity War. S tier. Best movie of Phase 3 by far. Best movie of S, like S tier movie. The best movie of Phase 3. Second best movie goes to Endgame. Endgame again, S tier. You cannot. Phase 3 was the best Marvel phase of all time. I'm telling you, it had no, it didn't have a single bad movie. I'm telling you, it didn't have a single bad movie. If you tell me that it had a bad movie, we can go into a parking lot, we can fight. Didn't have a single bad movie. All, like, literally five movies were S tier, according, at least according to me. Five movies were S tier. Like, it was such a good phase for Marvel, and then after that came the crap of Phase 4, and now we are hoping that Avengers Doomsday might save it. But Phase 3, best. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see more reviews and rankings and ratings, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button harder than our Rocky hit Drago. And I will see you later. See you later, movie mons. Goodbye. Peace out.